Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I will be showing you how to activate your Google My Business account. In Google, search Google My Business. In the first search results, you'll have different options to choose from. You can very simply go on google.com/business. Here is where you can start. Click on Start Now. Now type in your business name. Click on Next. Now it's asking you if you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or an office. If so, click Yes. If no, click No. Here it's asking where you serve your customers. I'm going to choose London. Click on Next. Here it's asking you what region your business is based in. Normally it detects where you are. If it hasn't detected your country, please select. Move on to Next. Now you must choose the category that fits your business best. Click on Next. Here you must add your current phone number and website. Click on Next. Here you can choose whether or not you want to receive information. No, Next, and Finish. This step is very important. Here is where they're going to post the code to you to verify your Google My Business account. Now it's asking you to choose a way to verify your account. You can have them check your number. You can also receive a postcard by mail. And you can also verify later. I've clicked on Call. I will now be receiving a call containing a code. Okay, I will be receiving a postcard in the next 4 days. Make sure your address is correct. Now we are in Google My Business. Let's get started. Here we're going to create a post. Now, like in most posts, it's recommended that you use a photo so as for the post to stand out. Write a post, don't forget to add a call to action with a button. Book, order online, buy, learn more, or sign up. Here I'm going to advertise a course. You can drag and drop a photo or select from your computer. Let it upload. Alright, now let's write our post. Write your post and add a button. Sign up, for instance, if you have a feature on your website or if you just want them to contact you, click on Learn More. Make sure that you cut and paste the right URL and add the link below here for the button. Once you've done that, you can also select event, offer, or product if you want to create a category for that post. We can put offer and we publish. We have to now add the title. If you have a coupon code or anything like that, don't forget to add it. And publish. Now, as you can see, If this is the very first time you go on Google My Business, it's important to complete your listing information here. So you can add your hours, a description, a logo. You can choose a photo here. Drag and drop. Wait for it to upload. Set the logo. Here you can also add a cover. Okay, and here you can also add a video that tells the story of your business. Let it load. So here, when you create a post on Google My Business, it tells you that it's very important to create something specific. So special offers with set dates, so making the promotion clear and making it easy to redeem. So if you're running a promo, do add the terms and conditions, a coupon code, etc. Do add the start and end dates, and do explain what the deal or discount is all about. So now I'd like to add another post. So I click on Create Post. Here I'm going to add the kitchen visualizer. So I'm going to go and find an image. So here you can take a screenshot of your kitchen visualizer or use a picture of a kitchen that you like. And here I'm going to put, check out our instant quoting tool. Or check out our kitchen visualizer. Here you can add a button, learn more, and here you would simply put the link to your kitchen visualizer. So here's my link in this case. Make sure to add yours, not just any random link. Add that link to the button and publish. Now, if I look at the posts that I've published so far, I can see these. Posted just now, check out our instant quoting tool. And when I click on that call to action button, it takes me to the visualizer. So that's one very important place to post your software with us. If you want to find out more about other social media platforms, please watch our other videos available in our video library. If you encounter any difficulties, any technical issues, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.